Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Здравствуйте, друзья. Если вы ищете себе хорошие новые appliances with a little damage, с маленькими, например, дефектами, там царапины или где-то мятинка, или вообще бывает почти отличный, это магазин. If you're looking for appliance with a maybe a little scratch or damage but brand new, this is a good store to come and visit and choose in Kansas City area, в районе Kansas City. So over here, this is inside. We have everything from the washing machines, dryers, stove, microwave, and of course the refrigerator. A lot of good variety. You can choose. Много хорошего выбора, можно выбирать. Холодильники, they really good conditions. Most of it is brand new. Once in a while you find something, you know, but you have to look. Most of them brand new and really nice ones. Вот смотрите, тут несколько рядов. A few rows, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of different refrigerators. You have like multi-doors, 2-3 doors ones, or just regular 2-door ones, and the prices are good too. We just got one here today, and we got a couple from their other store, Kansas City location. I'm gonna walk through like for example, this fridge over here, it was $199, and right now it's $10.99 because of this dent. Yeah, so $19.99 to $10.99 because of the little dent. Or like this one over here, it says $399 right now. Then it was for $2,000. Right now it's $1,699 because it have little dents on the doors here, which you can put the magnet and cover it with a magnet, and you have basically a brand new refrigerator for the fraction of the price you pay for the brand new ones. And it's like showing you different styles. See all those fancy ones, 4 or 5 door ones. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show real quick. Here is more. Just so you get the idea what kind of refrigerators they have, and the deals are good, prices are good, so just come and see if you can find what you want. There's like okay, here's different kinds. Хорошие холодильники, друзья. Приезжайте в Канзас-Сити, выбирайте. Большой выбор. Good choice. Come over to Kansas City, friends, and choose one that you like. If you like 2-door, 3-door, 4-door, it depends on your taste. So they got everything here. Nice place. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments for the address or any other information. I will send it to you. Just write in the comments. Any questions, write in the comments. We can get hold of each other. Если есть какие-то вопросы, задавайте в комментариях, и мы можем связаться с вами. Если что-то вам нужно подсказать, подскажем. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit your like and subscribe, and have a nice, beautiful day.